Hey guys, Michael from Fire and Brilliance, and today's topic I'll be covering over a question that many people actually ask us. And if you don't know already, and many of you do and many of you don't, we actually run an actual business here, a jewelry business, also called Fire and Brilliance, and we get this question all of the time. And since I do run this business and I know the ins and outs of what it means, today's topic is what's the difference between jewelry warranty versus jewelry insurance, right? So if you don't know the difference, this is the episode to tune in. But before getting into it, obviously you've been following us for a long time. The best way to show that you support us is by subscribing to the channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell. But at the same time, we're also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. So give us a follow there as well. Then show us that you support us there. So I'm going to get right into it for you. Alright guys, so today again I'm going to go over a topic that many people actually want to know, because especially if you are purchasing a very expensive piece of jewelry, or if you actually own a piece of jewelry that you don't have a warranty or insurance policy on it, or if you were just handed a piece of jewelry as an heirloom from your parents, your grandparents, and you want to insure it, then this may be the episode that you want to make sure that you tune into. Okay, so first of all, I want to make sure I disclose that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not actually providing any kind of financial advice. The only thing I'm doing here is provide you educational purposes, as well as information for educational purposes. Okay, so that said, let's go ahead and break down what's the difference between a warranty as well as what is insurance. Okay, so what is a warranty? A warranty indicates a service to repair jewelry within a specific predetermined parameters of an agreement within a specific time frame. Okay, so that's a mouthful. So what does that basically mean? Normally, when you make a purchase on jewelry or any other item, you might be able to see a limited lifetime warranty, or you may see a 1-year warranty, 2-year warranty, 3-year warranty, 5-year warranty, lifetime warranty, right? So that is a warranty for the specific item purchase, in this case jewelry, so that the retailer or the manufacturer, depending on who made the agreement, to service that piece of jewelry should it ever need to be repaired under specific parameters, under specific predetermined agreements. Okay, so should something happen to it that is covered under the warranty, then the retailer or the manufacturer may repair it, or they may actually repolish it, reset it, replace it, what have you, right? So that specific warranty is different than the insurance. Okay, so many times people get confused. Oh, is it warranty insurance or is insurance warranty? Because it sounds so similar. Well, it's not. What is insurance? Insurance is typically a third party vendor, typically an insurance company, that you can make a purchase on an insurance contract that will basically agree to either, number one, repair, or number two, replace the entire item should it be lost, stolen, or be severely damaged, right? So similar to that of a vehicle, for example, if you purchase an insurance policy on your vehicle, if it's ever lost, stolen, or been severely damaged, typically they'll try to replace it. If you have a two-way type of insurance policy, it's the same thing with items outside of the car industry as well. Obviously, it's in jewelry for insurance policy. If you make an annual premium payment to insurance policy, then that insured company, based on their agreed contract, should either replace, repair your specific jewelry should something happen to it. Okay, so again, what is the difference? Warranties are usually issued by the retailer or manufacturer to provide further assurance to the purchaser that the business and or establishment stands by their products and services. Okay, so the company is willing to repair unforeseen, predetermined, and reasonable damages to the jewelry within a specific time frame. Whereas insurance is a contract with a third-party insurance company that promise to repair or replace the insured item rather, in case it is severely damaged, lost, or stolen. Okay, so what are some events that may deny a claim, right? So for a warranty, right, so a warranty, again, is within the scope of the business, right? So normally a warranty will deny a claim if a third party has worked on that piece of jewelry. So for example, if there is a an agreement, a predetermined agreement indicating that the warranty will repair your jewelry under these normal circumstances, under normal wear and tear. If an accent stone falls off, and they may replace or repair it. If they need further rhodium plating in the future, they may actually do that. If they need polish or cleaning, they may do that within a specific time frame, a year, 2 years, or 3, right? That is very normal. However, it's very common in the jewelry business where the warranty will not cover a claim if it is found that that piece of jewelry has been worked on a third party, right? So, for example, if you purchase jewelry from company A, and you received it, but instead of going back to company A to file a claim to service your jewelry or to repair your jewelry, you decided to go to company B that has nothing to do with company A, and they ended up servicing it. And you go back to company A because company B didn't do a good job, and if company A finds out, then that voids the warranty for many warranties, because they cannot validate the work of company B. They cannot validate the craftsmanship. They cannot validate if that company knows what they're doing. Are they following common jewelry practices, right? So typically in a situation like that for the jewelry industry, that will void the warranty. Now, second of all, a severely damaged jewelry not caused by normal wear and tear may also not be covered under a warranty. For example, a ring that's extremely warped, cracked, broken. If you can use any terminologies where it is severely damaged, broken, cracked, chipped, typically that may not be covered under warranty, because warranty normally will repair what is considered normal wear and tear, right? But if something is completely broken, where it looks like there's a lot of brute force that's impacted the piece of jewelry, where it's cracked, where it's warped, then that typically will not be covered under warranty. Now, in the other side of things, for insurance, for both warranties and many insurance claims, the one item typically that will deny all claims is if there's a suspect of fraud, right? So, an example of fraud would be, okay, well, they're claiming that this piece of jewelry was under warranty or under insurance, and they send in a completely different piece of jewelry that was never covered in the first place, right? So that's fraud. It's not the same item. Another one would be if they impersonate a person that was under the warranty to use their jewelry to send it in. That is also fraud, right? So in those circumstances, it will be void. But for the most part, warranties will cover normal wear and tear within the company as long as you read the parameters of the warranty. Whereas if it's not fraud, insurance companies will typically cover replace or repair most of the times if the piece of jewelry is lost, stolen, or severely damaged, because you purchase a policy for your peace of mind, right? So that's the difference. Now, why does this matter? Why does it matter to work with a company that offers a warranty? Right, so it shows that your company stands behind, that company that you're working with stands behind the products, right? So obviously it gives you a peace of mind that you're taken care of, right? So if you're going to spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 on a piece of jewelry, whatever your budget is, you want to know that you can have a peace of mind that should anything happen to your jewelry, that at least you're covered with the normal wear and tear. At least over time, if should something happen to your piece of jewelry in the next year, 2 years, or 3 years, at least in the short term, that company stand behind their products. They'll make sure that they'll clean your jewelry, they'll repolish your jewelry, they'll rhodium plate it, they'll replace and reset specific accent stones if it's lost or if it falls out, right? And so that gives the consumer a peace of mind, and also shows that the company is not a one transaction type of company. It's not as if they just want to sell you an item and never want to take care of you again, right? So you want to work with a company that wants to stand the test of time, to really be around and really help the customers, right? So that is the reason why you want to work with a company that offers a warranty. And why? And then so that's the warranty part. But why does it matter to consider purchasing insurance? Purchasing insurance is another layer of assurance and a peace of mind in case If you go jogging and you do some kind of physical activity, if you're at the gym, if you're at the beach and you end up losing your jewelry, or if worst case scenario you not only lose your jewelry but someone steals your jewelry, at least that's covered, right? The insurance company will replace your jewelry as long as you have a specific type of policy with that company, right? So it's really, at the end of the day, a warranty and insurance both will provide you with peace of mind. The warranty is covered within the company for very basic normal wear and tear, whereas the insurance company will cover the rest, right? So that's pretty much the bottom line. So at the end of the day, it's extremely important to always consider the company that you're working with. Do they provide a warranty? And on the top of that, once you go outside of things, you can always make sure that you work with an insurance company to insure your jewelry. Now that said, if you haven't checked out one of our previous videos before, I've gone over on how to better protect your jewelry and ensure that you do not lose your jewelry. I'll leave that in the link up above, so that in case you are a physical person where you go out and you work out and you go, you do water sports and those type of things, here's some advice and a few tips as to what you can do to ensure that you do not lose your jewelry. All right, so hopefully I gave you some clarity there in terms of what's the difference between jewelry insurance versus jewelry warranty. Did you get any value in terms of what you learned here? And is it important that you actually learn something like that? Because especially I know that if you're purchasing an expensive piece of jewelry, you may be looking for this information. So leave a comment below if you like this type of information, so that we can know more to do more of these types of videos. And if you have a specific idea as to what you want us to cover next, definitely leave in the comment below, because we may make a video just for you, since we do that all of the time. Okay, so again, we're here on YouTube, so subscribe to the channel, show us that you support us, but at the same time, follow us on TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, as well as Instagram, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.